Hello guys, welcome to Obed FX Academy. So this is not a gambling channel. This is not a get to rich quick channel. This is a channel for Forex education. And I'm excited to show you the HFM broker. What's the HFM broker? It's a powerful trading platform that enables traders to execute their trades. So you should get a powerful trading platform that will make trading easy and don't complicate trading. You can have a perfect strategy, but if you don't have a perfect trading platform, you are going to be losing because of the spread they'll be giving you. That's why I'm recommending HFM broker to you. So look at the link in the bio of this video, tap on the link and create and sign up with the HFM, the best trading platform, and let's get straight into it. So today I'm going to do a quick breakdown of the BTC and gold trades I killed yesterday. So people were in my DM where they explained to me the setup. How did you cut this setup? So I decided to just take time, get time, and give you the detailed and structured way. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you learn something. Don't just watch the video, watch the setup, learn market structure and other points of interest I didn't talk about. I'll get time to speak about it. So I would like you to click in the link to sign up with the HFM broker. Click on the notification button and also subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Let's hit 50 subscribers. When we hit 50 subscribers, we will get the chance to create live streams, going on live, trading live with you guys, trading live back-to-back live sessions. We are going to enjoy the teaching platform so that there will be questions and answers. But if we hit 50 subscribers, we are going to be going live, trading live and all that. So I want you to just click the notification button, subscribe to this channel, use the broker. Now let's get straight into it. A lot of people were in my DM telling me, "Oh, Ben, how did you cut this trade? How did you cut this trade? How did I catch this trade? This sells on BTC. This sells. So this sells again on gold. So they haven't been in the market. Yes. So I decided to do a breakdown for the audience. So let's dive straight to it. So I'm starting from the BTC setup. Okay, so as I've listed here, you have to first, anytime I go to the market, these are the 4 things I look out for. If I don't find these 4, I'm not taking any trade. After I look out for these, then I look at my broker. Is the broker a powerful trading platform? If it's not, I'm not going to that broker. Now, so I'm always recommending HFM, the best and most powerful trading. The link is in the bio. So directional buyers. What do I mean by directional buyers? I mean the direction, the current direction of the market. I focus on the current direction of the market. And to be able to know the current direction of the market, you should know the market structure. So we know that market moves in either an uptrend, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, or it moves in a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, or we have the ranging, right? So these, I'm not here to explain this setup. I'm here to do a quick breakdown of the trades. I'll get time another time when you start our teaching. We're going to talk about this entry mode. So after market structure, inducement and points of interest. So now let's dive straight into it. So I check my directional bias. Since I'm a scalper, I don't go much 4-hour daily time frame. I just start from 1 hour. I check my bias on 1 hour. If they are wicks, I move to the next time frame. So as you can see here, price was just creating some couple of wicks. So I just avoid, as I said, I don't watch out for wicks. I move to the next time frame, which is the 30-minute time frame. I'm just looking for it to just scalp and just get out of the market. Yeah. So just look at it carefully. Look at the structure of the market. As you can see, price came down, broke structure to the upside, and what took this low. So I realized that, oh, okay, we've caused the shift. So the next thing I have to look out for is what my point of interest. So now I dived into the lower time frame, which is a 15-minute time frame, and I said I will not use this time to explain, but I'll give a hint on it. So when I talk about points of interest, there are 2 points of interest, which is order block and breaker block. What do I mean by the order block? Order block is the last opposite candle before a change of character or a break of structure. So I mark this as my first point of interest. And the second point of interest was what the breaker block. So breaker block after a high. Let's say if price is moving in an uptrend, high, low, high, low. And when price takes out the low, this becomes what a breaker block, right? So that was also the breaker block, another point of interest that I marked. But also and to look for the valid breaker block, you have to look the one which is closest to the inducement. And inducement is what the first pullback after price breaks structure or changes character. So this was the inducement, the pullback after price break structure. This was the inducement, the pullback. This was the pullback. So I just marked the pullback. So that means the one closest to the closest one of all those points of interest. There can be a situation, can get like 5 or 4 points of interest. But obey the points of interest. That is closest to the inducement. That is the first pullback. So this was it. I just marked it. Price tapped. I wait for confirmation. Evening star and straight to full take profit. Full take profits was sent in the Telegram community, as you can see, with signals and everything was sent. So if you're not in the community, you should do very well to join the community. And don't forget to use the number one broker, which is the HFM broker, minimum spreads, a powerful trading platform which helps you trade as easy. I'm recommending HFM broker to you. So let's move on to the next trade, which is the gold setup. So this is the gold setup. So with the same four criteria, someone was like, well, how did I cut this gold trade? So let's dive straight into it. Let me get it all cleared. Okay. So with gold, my minimum time frame, I don't go more than 1 hour. As I said earlier, when you're scalping, we don't go more than 1 hour. So I first find my buyers, right? So let's just find the buyers and move straight into it. So just look at it very well. Pay attention. Look at it. So price was moving in this higher low, higher high. Then price will took out the low. So when price took out the low, now what? The structure is what we are bearish. So I'm looking out for bearish structures, bear trades. Sorry. So what I don't just enter and look for the sales. No. The next thing I do is what, check the retracement. So because a valid retracement should be what, within the 50% range. So I just marked from the high to the low price made, right? So then I just mark the 50%. As can say, I just mark the 50%. Then I'll delete. Now I know that I'm looking for sales above these regions. If my sales are not above this region, I'm not. So after I find my directional bias and my structure, and now go to the lower time frame, I'm going to scalp. I move to 5 minutes. I'm going to scalp the sales, look for sell setup. And what did I see? So here, when I see wicks, I just avoid the wicks and move to the next time frame. There were wicks all around, so I just move to the next time frame. Just go to a time frame that has clear structures. Dive if you're a trader, you want to use only one time frame. No, you don't do it like that. You have to moving on to the next time frame and the next time frame until you find a clear structure and just enter in that trade. So let's dive straight into it. So let's move again. As I was saying, this was it. Let me clear it. So we know that what we are bearish. Let's move to, we've located our bearish move. I want now to check the buyers, a valid retracement, which is the 50%, which I've marked here, right? So now we'll move on to what is left with the two criteria. This is what point of interest and inducement. So this was it, as you can see. I marked it as when price shifts, when price caused the shift. So the first pullback, this was the first pullback, which is the inducement of Magdi. The first pullback, which is the inducement. IDM, let's limit IDM. So yeah, this was the first pullback, that's the inducement. So after that, I'll mark my point of interest. So here lies the case. I said what, there are 2 points of interest, which is what, the breaker block and the order block. So this was the first point of interest, which was the breaker block. When the low is taken, as you can see, breaker blocks, there are 2 points of interest. Breaker blocks and what other block, when they take the low, it becomes what, a breaker block, right? So I mark the breaker block, and the next point of interest is what, the other block. I mark this, the other block. There's the other block. So if you were paying attention, if you didn't know the right point of interest, as I said, the closest one is the one you take forward your point of interest. So you see, if you're looking forward to taking yourselves at the other block, you see, you would have missed this trade. But those who knew the valid point of interest set their entry, instead their entry here at the right point of interest, and just put your SL below. You know that the closest one is what, the breaker block. The closest one is what, it's not the other block. So on most of the time, traders, they take 1:10 and above. We've been just killing it 1:10 on this. But since I posted this and I wanted a perfect risk to reward, so we just use the safe stop loss, just capitalize on our normal 1:4. So someone asks, why is this arrow there? Why was I targeting the arrow? So For you see, when price reach there, price reverse, that's what we call what the scale. So another add up to the knowledge, the how high or the lowest point the retracement can go, that is the possible zone price can move when it taps your point of interest. So as you can see, after the first pullback, price broke the first pullback. This was the low it could move. So I marked that zone in place and knew that if price reached that zone, I should be exiting or closing partial profit or closing all profit, because there's high possibility price will reverse there. So that was my target already. Even when you even use the breaker block, your 1 is to 10, you still hit 1 is 10 before reversing. So let's go to what we're doing. So I just send this in the community, which is there. This sell signal, this sell, this gold sell, and this BTC. So this is how I killed the market on gold and BTC. So if you want more of these educational content to be uploaded here to educate you, to making trading simple, just click on the subscribe button, turn your notifications 50 subscribers, and we start live stream so that you can ask questions, we can trade live, and just make trading simple. And don't forget to use the HFM broker, the number one broker I recommend for you. So I hope you enjoy this session, a detailed breakdown of the trade. So I hope to seeing my students or you guys doing the same, just hitting back to back, sending the TP, like just be hitting back to back. So just click in the link in this description of the video to sign up with the best and number one broker, which is the HFM broker. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, on this. And the teaching is beginning 1st March. So hit the subscribe button to promote this channel so we can start moving on live stream, trading CPI and other massive sessions in the market. So just click in the description, sign up with the broker, deposit, and let's what? Let's peppy. It's peppy time.